What's up, guys? We're going to be replacing the wiper blades on my 2018 Silverado using the Rain-X Latitude wiper blades. For 2014 to 2018 Silverados and Sierras, you need a 22-inch on both the driver and passenger side. To replace the wiper blades, it's quite simple. First, all you got to do is flip the wiper blade up. On the top of the wiper arm, there's a little button that needs to be pressed in. Once it's fully pressed, if you give the wiper blade a little bit of a wiggle, it should just slide right out of place. If you're using these Rain-X wiper blades, they are made for many cars. For the Silverado in particular, you have to pop this cover off like so. I will compare it here to the original wiper blade. You can see how there's a little locking tab that needs to slide into the top of the wiper arm. That's the same button that you pressed in the first step to get the wiper blade off. To install the new blade is a reverse process of what you just did. So you find the little slot and slide the wiper blade in. You'll know it's locked in when that tab goes through the top of the wiper arm. You can see it on here that it's locked in. Usually I give it a little wiggle just to make sure that it doesn't come loose. So here I am doing the passenger side. Same process, just pop it out. I already took the cover off on this side, so all I had to do was slide the wiper blade back in. Once I'm done, obviously give it a little shake just to make sure that the wiper's secure. The last thing you need to do when using the Rain-X wiper blades is they come pre-installed with these little yellow plastic covers to prevent damage during installation and shipping. All they do is they slide right off and you could toss those in the trash. And that's it. You're all done. These are the original wiper blades that I pulled off. You could see that there was some damage to the center of the one, which is causing some streaking. Those yellow plastic guards can go in the garbage, and obviously the same with those clips that go on top. I'll put a link to these wiper blades in the description, and if you have any questions, make sure to ask. If you want to see more, make sure to subscribe. Thanks.